Okay, so my name's Eoin O'Connor. I'm from the Curragh in County Kildare. I'm doing a PhD in Horticulture and Development Department in Teagasc, Ashtown. I'm in the final year of my PhD, and my research involves the commercial mushroom Agaricus bisporus and a disease that affects that organism known as mushroom virus X. My undergraduate degree was studied in Maynooth University. I did a general science degree and then I specialised in biology in my final year. I worked with Dr. Dave Fitzpatrick in a bioinformatics project, and through David Fitzpatrick's collaboration with my Teagasc supervisor, Dr. Helen Grogan, I then moved over to that area of research and to progress into my PhD studies. My project involves a disease that affects commercial mushroom crops, so the commercial mushroom being Agaricus bisporus, and the disease is mushroom virus X. So this is a disease that infects commercial productions, and my area of research basically looks at the genome, the transcriptome and the proteome of Agaricus bisporus during MVX infection. So in my project I've sequenced a wild strain genome, I've looked at gene expression in different strains of Agaricus, and I've looked at proteins in different strains of Agaricus during MVX infection. Another area of my research is we look at the transmission of viruses into different strains of Agaricus from infected strains, and a part of that work I've used a technique known as fluorescence in situ hybridization, or FISH, and that's the work I presented today. So as part of my PhD, one of my main experiments, I look at the effects of the MVX infection to different strains of Agaricus at different points in the crop, and some of the findings have shown that as the infection introduces into a later part of the crop, the infection actually becomes much worse. We see much more of a response from different strains of Agaricus at that later infection point, and that's very relevant for commercial practices in that we see more disease as the infection introduces at a later point. So winning this award, I was privileged to even make it to the national competition, so winning the award means an awful lot to me, and it's something I'll carry through my career. I'd like to stay connected with Teagasc and more of a research, maybe an academic pursuit. I'd like to pursue maybe postdoctoral research through Teagasc and through different collaborators internationally or even within Ireland itself. So winning this award really will hopefully show that I can conduct research and present my research in a way that can appeal to a larger audience. I'd recommend the Walsh Fellowship Scheme to anyone looking into any kind of postgraduate research. There's lots of opportunities, there's areas to branch out into, lots of different sectors of agriculture and horticulture and forestry, and really it's a great stepping stone into a career in industry or academia.